Welcome back to another Excel tutorial. Today I want to explore how to use the take function. The take function in Excel is a dynamic array function used to extract a specific number of rows or columns from array or range. Advantages of using the take function: on the one hand, flexibility, because you can easily adjust the subset of data you're working with by specifying rows and columns. On the other hand, simplicity, because it reduces the need for more complex index or offset formulas to extract parts of an array. And last but not least, dynamic updates. As with other dynamic array functions, changes in the source data automatically update the extracted data, ensuring analysis remain current. The take function is a handy tool for data analysts, financial analysts, and anyone who needs to dynamically segment and analyze parts of larger data sets directly within Excel. The take function belongs to the group of dynamic array functions and returns a specified number of rows or columns from array or range. The syntax starts by take, then you define the array, followed by the number of rows, and then optional, you can also define how many columns you want to get. Yeah, and of course, array is the array of range or range to modify, rows is the number of rows to take, and columns is the number of columns to take. So in this data, if I use the take function, just giving you an example, I mark my complete array, and let's say I want to have the first 3 rows. I type in 3, I close the parenthesis. I don't want to limit my columns. I hit enter, and as you can see, I get back the first 3 rows of my data. If I go with -3, I'll get back the last 3 entries inside my data. And as you can maybe already guess, the take function is used most often if you have large data sets and you want to, for example, analyze the last 500 orders. Then you can use the take function. You would go with the table of your orders and you would go with -500. So you get the latest entries inside the data, so the last 500 orders. And then you can go on with further analysis on those orders. And as a new order would come in, then the take function would automatically update the array and would take the newest order in account. And it would always be updated and just take the latest 500 orders into account. But for such small data sets, the take function is not that handy and useful. But like I said, for larger data sets, it's a pretty cool function. And this all you have to know about the take function. Typically, you would integrate the take function in other functions, so you won't use it like this. But of course, if you just want to get back the new array, you can just use the take function without integrating it into another function. I hope you liked this video about the take function. If you did like it, I would appreciate a thumbs up and see you in the next video.